Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy SRT. You feel me? Back at it again with another video. You feel we got this nighttime POV. I really ain't finna be going too crazy, but I got a couple of my partners, you feel me, in traffic. You know, give it downtown hell. My boy Slime Life. That boy wildin'. God damn. That boy be going crazy in that motherfucking scat. That big got flame tunes, and that big guy goddamn two-step. That bitch be screaming. It sound like a nigga shooting a Drake. Here go my other boy in the Chrysler. If y'all don't mind, please like, comment, subscribe, you feel me? It's still road to 2,000K subs. I'm gonna try my best to be monetized in 2 weeks. So y'all please help your boy out. I need y'all to watch the whole video. Like, you feel me? Go ahead and comment, because I respond to all my comments. You feel me? Let's see what them boys about to do. I can't go crazy, y'all, because I gotta hold the phone and shit. I left my head mount at the house, so I'm really just gonna be. Oh shit! What the fuck type of pothole is that? My shit sound like. Damn, I can't talk. My shit felt like it was going over a damn boulder. That boy shit sound like firecrackers. But he just scared the fuck out all them people. They looking like, what the hell is that? Oh shit, that would go 12 on the side of the road. We finna go to jail. My boy Nard trying to get my ass locked up. I ain't gonna lie, police come, I'm gonna have to put that camera down on mom. Damn, mom got my seatbelt on. Y'all finna be killing my ass in the comments. I know y'all hear that big cat whining though on everything. We gotta go slow over them motherfucking speed bump. We don't see no police behind us, so we doing good so far. My shit ain't getting no traction. My tires bald as a baby booty on everything. They got that clean ass Audi motherfucker on everything. I should have let that get out, but I wasn't thinking. Also, y'all, I made a little short video of some raps that I was interested in doing. That boy shit is so loud on everything. Damn, they go TRX. Big body TRX. I don't never see nobody driving a TRX how you supposed to. They be driving them bitches like they work trucks. That boy just set somebody's alarm off. You know that boy shit quaking. They probably think somebody breaking into their motherfucking car. Damn, they leaving your boy. I can't slide with one. I can't slide right while recording. This bit is not working right. That bit, this that crybaby bit. You feel me? This car cry all day, cry all night. What that is? There ain't no police in front of us, is it? Oh nah. We finna turn around right here. Wait, nah, that's a fucking police, I think. I don't know what the hell that is. I think it's a police. Is it? Hell yeah. Is that a one-way? Yep, that's a motherfucking police. I need to get the fuck on. Oh God. Yeah, the police don't know who the fuck you want to get. You can't get me, my boy. I'm finna go. I'm gonna meet back up with the guys. I'm trying to figure out. Oh, I think he's trying to follow their. I really don't even know where I'm at. But everybody love their car on everything. These people be acting like I'm famous or something. We trying to get there, y'all. We gonna be famous one day. My boy should be straight though on everything. Because I think we all turned off and went different ways. I made sure that they went directly behind his ass though. I should be turning somewhere. I think right here. Alright, y'all. They're gonna wrap it up for this video. I gotta go ahead and calm my ass down for 12 get out. But if y'all don't mind, please like, comment, subscribe. You feel me? Hit that post notification bell. And y'all tune back in whenever I drop more bangers.